Hello friends, this is Sparsha and you're watching the channel Diary of Sparsha, where I share my gardening experiences with you all. Today, I'll share the basic rules of keeping indoor plants. Those who have started keeping them or thinking to start, this video will help them to start with. So let's start the topic. Many times, and that happened to me also, the costly and beautiful plants I brought home ultimately died. The problem later I realized I didn't have the basic knowledge of keeping them. So in this video, I'll tell you the basics so that your newly brought plant won't die. The topic I'll discuss on following headings. Number 1, light and placement. Number 2, watering. Number 3, container and soil. Number 4, weather requirement. Number 5, fertilization. And number 6, pesticides requirement. I'll tell the points that are common to almost all indoor plants. As you can see in this video, I have several types of indoor plants. Some are fussy, some are very easy to grow. I have pothos, philodendrons, syngoniums, aglaonemas, phytonias, anthuriums, English ivy, monsteras, calatheas, and few others. Some plant needs special care that I'll discuss in the following videos, which I'll make later on individual plants. Light management. The first mistake almost everyone do. Please remember, there is no such plant which can live without light. Requirement may be less or more, but every plant needs light. Indoor plant need indirect light. They don't prefer direct sun. You can see the plastic curtain I have hanged in the grill to prevent the direct light to my plants. When I keep them indoor, I place them near the window, where at least 2 to 3 hours of natural sunlight comes. If you want to keep them indoor, where the light is less, keep 2 sets of plant. Rotate them weekly for indoor and to a bright lighted area anywhere in your outdoor or balcony. Otherwise, at least keep 2 days in a week to brighter lighted area from indoor. Next is container and soil requirement. Nowadays, many indoor plants are available as dwarf variety like syngoniums, monsteras, xanadu. They need very small containers. Choose container according to the plant you are going to keep, and that may range from 3 to 4 inch pot to 10 inch or more. Soil is very important. Almost all indoor plants need very light and porous soil mix. What I use: coco peat 50%, soil 10%, compost, any compost like vermicompost or my kitchen compost or leaf compost or cow dung compost 30%, 10% perlite or sand. Don't forget the drainage hole in the container. In ceramic containers, sometimes they lack the hole. Please remember it. One more thing. Don't blindly trust the nursery regarding the potting mix in which they have supplied you the plant. Many a times they use clay soil. Don't hesitate to change it. If you want to know how to do that, you can see the video link I have given in the description box, where I changed the soil of some indoor plants after bringing them from nursery. Watering is another major thing you need to learn, and another mistake which almost everyone do, for which the plant dies. Please don't overwater. When in doubt whether to apply or not, don't apply it. Test the soil with your finger. If the media is sticking to your finger, don't apply water. If the media is dry and not sticking with your finger, as you are seeing in the video, you apply water. Watering will vary from place to place, plant to plant, season to season. So it is not possible to set any rules for watering. Next is weather requirement. Most indoor plants you will see in your local nursery are tropical plants. They love warm and humid weather. They thrive best between 20 to 30 degrees centigrade. Very hot temperature or frost they cannot tolerate. Providing them humidity, you can do several things. Number 1, you can keep them close with other plants, as I have kept. Number 2, you can keep some pebble in a plate and fill the plate with some water. Place the pot on the pebbles so that the bottom of the pot does not touch the water. And thirdly, what I did, I have kept a water fountain which I made myself, which nicely humidify the plants and looks good too. And of course, you can always purchase a humidifier. Along with adopting any of these methods, you need to spray some water to the leaves of these plants. They will love it and they will look gorgeous too. You apply at least once in a day. Next is how to fertilize. I apply compost of any kind, vermicompost, cow dung compost or kitchen compost, once in 3 months to the soil. I apply about 10 to 20 gram per pot. Along with that, I spray 18-18-18 NPK 2 gram per liter and seaweed extract. I use Sagorika 3 milliliter per liter every 14 days as foliar spray to all my indoor plants. You can make your own schedule. They need food, but they are not at all very heavy feeders. Regarding pesticide, I didn't need anything other than neem oil, which I spray 1500 ppm 5 milliliter in 1 liter of water in 10 to 15 days to all my plants. At times, you may need to apply antifungal, and that should be absolutely need-based, and you apply according to the literature, supply it with the product which you have purchased. Hope this video has helped you. If it is so, please press the like button and share with your friends. And don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you very much for watching.